Quick tips for creating 8-bit sound effects in FL Studio. First, use synthesizers like 3x OSC in FL Studio to create retro waveforms. Modify the pitch, duration, and wave shapes for authentic 8-bit sounds. Keep your sound simple. Blips, beeps, and pops work best. Export them as WAV or OGG files for your game. Simple 8-bit sounds for a classic feel.